In this picture by Jasper Kaneen from Baruch College, once again you see how the beautiful trees are being overpowered and made ugly by the traffic light right in the middle. In this picture by Oliver Ralph Lamb from Brooklyn College, you see the poor trees being strangled by power lines. The sepia design of this photograph, the sepia colors, show how dreary the idea of these strangled trees is. Surrounded by glorious nature, this pipe, probably used for refuse, destroys an otherwise gorgeous panorama. Sitting in the pipe, a young girl looks out on the water, perhaps contemplating the futility of life in a world that has been so destroyed by humans. This picture was taken by Andrew Duplantis from the University of Louisiana. This is a documentary about how man and technology are slowly destroying the natural world around us. This picture by Ayadel Adi from City College displays this fact. You can see the tree with all this garbage on it versus the building. This one is by Nora Curry from Brooklyn College. Once again, it shows destruction and waste and pipe and one lone tree. All its friends have been cut down. This is a picture by Haroon Naqvi from Queens College. We're also from Queens College. And this shows how the natural beauty of this panoramic scene is destroyed by the signs "Do not enter" and "One way" that are splat in the middle of it. Here we see a tiny plot of grass next to some loose change, struggling for survival on the sidewalk. Can you see which is bigger? Here we see a tiny blade of grass struggling for survival against a fire hydrant.
The next couple hours.
In this photograph by Monica Azag from Queens College, poor tree is being abused as it is used as a laundry line to hang socks. Last photograph by John Rose from Hunter College poignantly has a stop sign with trees behind it. This must be a message to us all to stop the destruction, stop human technology's war on our environment.